your graduation sign with Canva. This graduation sign is the red, black, and white, class of 2022. So all you need to do is, I have a picture popped in there. I'm going to delete that right now so that you can see that it's just a frame holder. And you are able to edit the text. Now, if you want to edit your text, you go on up here. You can change the font if you like. Canva has a paid version as well as a free version. If you have a free version, you're going to want to stay away from the little crowns, because those are the extra images and fonts that are paid. So you want to make sure that you stay away from that. But otherwise, if you want to leave the text just the way it is and just change a name, change congratulations, whatever you like on here, you can do that. You can change the color of the 2022. You can change the font or the color of the class of. You can also change the colors of the hat. So I have different reds here. You can change that if you like. The easiest way to pop your picture in over here in the frame holder is to upload a photo that you like. Right here on the left side of your screen, you'll see an upload button with a little cloud with an arrow. You upload, you press on that, you can upload whatever image you want from your computer. Once that image is there, I'm gonna take and drag and drop. I'm gonna take this image, I'm gonna pull it over here, and it's going to go into the frame. And that's all there is to it. And then all you do is you come on over here to the share button, you take and you can download it, as I would do a PDF print or PNG image, so that it's a high quality printable image. And you can take it to your favorite printer. You can take it and print it at home if you have a large enough printer. This sign comes in two sizes. It's a 18 by 24 or an 8.5 by 11 inch sign.